Can you imagine? They are even cowards. They can't even come themselves. They send one of ours to us as representative. As if we are animals that they can throw around. I cannot betray my people. This is human life we're talking about.
Bonga, we won't have a choice but to accept this. I mean, this is the only way that we can protect ourselves, our families, and even our people.
This is a difficult situation. And we accept our people die. We don't. Our people die. And we die too. So, we accept and let our people die. But we'll be part of it. Simple.
After explaining what this meeting is all about, I would like us to move forward. Like I said, I'm only a representative from our brothers from the West. Now, I would like to take questions that would make it clear to me that you actually understand all I've said. And remember, for the fact that you're on this table, 15 million will be credited into your account. Thank you.
You said this network will affect our people's health immediately we install. Don't you think my people will notice immediately and they will cry out against this installation?
My people will not even accept this. They will turn against me.
Very well. Your people won't accept this, they will turn against you. So how do we make them want it? We will paint this network in such a way that this thing that they are running away from will be their savior. Like I said, the installation might actually cause a lot of problem because people might even fall to their knees when we are installing this. So what do?
We'll install it at night.
Install it at night? We can't install it at night. It won't work. Our people will see everything that we're doing. I propose we tell our people to stay indoor for 2 or more days. Then we install.
No, Lady White. You must be joking. Our people can never stay home for some days. No school, no religious activities. You must be joking.
Gentlemen and ladies, I think I like our idea. We need our people to stay at home. That's the only way this will work. But what do you think will make our people stay at home?
I suggest we do nothing.
I don't think we can do nothing. We bring war. Yes.
No. Why war? Let's induce fear into them.
Fear. Very good, my friend. Fear would actually make this work. But what do we do to make our people afraid?
Death.
Death brings panic. But sudden death brings chaos. We cannot afford that. Our people will rebel against us. So what do we do?
I think if we tamper with their health, there will be panic everywhere. Yes.
You are very correct, Vincent. If we tamper with their health, they will be very afraid. So we create a virus.
But if we do this, we won't also be safe.
Mr. Motudi, every virus has a vaccine. We would give you an antidote for you and your family. You will definitely be safe. But people will die. I can assure you of that people will die, but you won't.
Are you trying to tell me that people would stay indoor for 2 or more weeks because of fear?
Yes, fear will make our people stay at home. But there's something you are not telling us. A lot of people will die. Because to create panic from death to our people really have to die.
If it's just for 2 weeks, we can't all die. In as much ourselves and our families are safe. But one thing we have to know is that if our people get to know that this network will affect their health, they won't take it easy with us. So what can we do to reduce that?
Okay, this brings us to the last phase of this whole project. We would give our people a vaccine. You know, I told you, you would get a vaccine like an antidote against the virus. But we will give our people a vaccine. This vaccine will carry their digital identity. So once we have this, we can actually trace those people that will be affected by the network. And when we have this, we can treat them at no cost.
Very true. I like that. Very true. It's correct.
But this means we'll be spending so much money on feeding people for more than 2 weeks. We have to give free medical treatment. We have to give vaccines. I mean, why do we have to go through all this stress? What do we stand to gain? Let's just leave things the way they are.
No, we can't leave things just the way they are. And I would assure you, in 3 to 4 months, we will get everything we are investing back. You don't have to worry. This is not your money that will be spent. I can assure you of that. But let me tell you something. the fear of death will make our people get this vaccine, and this vaccine carries a chip.
How?
Yes, let me explain something that you don't understand. From this digital identity that carries a chip, we know the amount you are making per day from all the work you're supposed to be doing. So you can't steal from the government. The government can only steal from you. Like this, when we introduce this, we would make sure that you pay the government the amount you're supposed to pay. And this is where we get our own money from. The vaccine, when they are sick, will subsidize their treatment. So it makes it easy for people to actually run to us for the vaccine. My friend Chloe, we are gaining more than we are losing.
I'm ready to sign it.
You have told us how this will work, but you haven't told us how directly we are going to gain from this.
My friend Otude, you're a lover of money.
So I will quickly explain the money part to you. 30% per year goes to your regions directly.
Wow! A whole 30%?
Yes, don't get me wrong. This 30% is for family in power at a particular time. So you have to do all it takes to remain in power, or you put someone you trust in power.
Oh, understood. I like it. I understand better now.
I'm fully ready to sign.
Very good. So now I have 2 signatures. From the east, I have Lady White and Lunga. And from the south, I have Mutudi and Kagiso. So Bonga, Vincent, and Chloe. Do I have a signature?
And my people will die.
People die every day. For others to live, you can't control that.
Can I at least have like 5 minutes to discuss with my colleagues?
Yes, but remember, a no from your region simply means you're against us. And we will stop all the hate that comes to your region. We will stop all the stuff, but there won't be importing and exporting from your region. Very well, we can take 5 minutes, but remember, you also pay all your debts in full. Everything said on this table is top secret, should not leave this table. We will take that 5 minutes break now, but I would like to tell you and inform you that we have the details of all your family members. That is just our only two insurance. Thank you.
Hi, Bonga. I am not going to accept this.
Bonga, you are going to get all of us killed. What do you stand to gain? What my people are you shouting? Huh? Do the people even love themselves? Do they?
They are going to give us 15 million each, which is a lot of money.
I cannot sell my people out. This 50 million we are even talking about is a bribe.
We have always accepted bribes. We have always given out bribes. It will not be the first time. Neither will it be the last.
You are talking about bribery and safety of the people. Huh? Do you know how many times I have instructed us to do whatever it takes to keep you in power and to put you in power just as you are here today? We kill people, our own people. So what is it about this bribery and safety that you are talking about?
But that is not enough reason.
It is
This
more
is
than enough.
people life we're talking about.
It is more than enough reason, Bonga. You had the opportunity of providing free education. You had the opportunity of providing free healthcare for everybody. You had the opportunity of providing jobs for people so they can feed themselves. You never do it anyone. You even have the opportunity of feeding more than 1,000 a day. You didn't do anyone. So why you sounded like an innocent man all of a sudden? Listen, Bonga. This is above you. Huh? This time around you go back in there and you accept.
Vincent here is correct, sir. These people that we are even fighting for are as selfish as they can be. The directors are taking more than they should. I mean, they give us fake names. We have ghost workers everywhere. They even have money being paid to them. I'm going to tell you right now that it is better you pick yourself. That if others survive, so be it.
Yes. So, Mr. Bunga, I'll advise. As you are going back in here, wherever you must have kept your golden pen, you pick it up. And then you accept that paper, yes. You sign, and everybody lives here.
Yes.
Up here. You understand?
Adunia kareli bedi kege nanalaya gurnam koy sate dunia bibi adam ngumme falade yonti gilanim sayata ki janga aduniya min koy minoti ballal kareli koy beidi ma hege nanalaya bibi adam ngumme falla